Alright, so here's a little video for the CRV community. It says their light on the shift selector doesn't turn on. So it should turn on. Right now I have my lights on, it's not turning on. So I'm quickly just gonna, first I'm gonna shut off the car. Put it back into accessory. Apply the parking brake. Alright, while pressing, engine's off, pressing the brake, I'm gonna shift all the way down. I'm gonna just pull on the climate control. Then I'm gonna just pull on the trim around the shifter. Now at this point, I'm gonna put it back in neutral. I still have it in the parking brake engaged, so I'm gonna turn off the car. Now, since it's shifted, it won't go all the way to off, but you can leave it on 1 on the ignition. From here, we're just gonna lift this up. There should be one connector over here. You just disconnect that one connector, shift this over, and it makes it easier. You could disconnect the second connector right here. Now, right here on the side, there's a little socket. Like any other socket, you just twist it. It's on the bottom of the shift selector right here, where the letters are displayed. Little twist socket. In that little twist socket is a little light bulb. So this you replace if your light's not turning on. Now if it doesn't turn on, then it'll probably be a wiring issue. Have the car back on, engine off, lights on, nothing, off, nothing. Let me get another one. We got a brand new bulb. Take off the old one. There you go. Lights off, lights on. So if your letters aren't lighting up, then it's probably the bulb that's out. Here's a replacement bulb. 2721, and if anything, so you guys know, I'm a Honda tech. Not very common issue, but it does happen. Every couple cars out of a batch, light bulb goes out. But simple fix, you can always take it to a dealer and get it replaced. They shouldn't be charging you more than 0.2, 0.3 of an hour. That's normally what we charge for a bulb, if not free. This is a little bit more to it. You have to remove panels, so they'll probably charge you 0.2, 0.3 to replace the bulb. But I hope that helps you guys.